Boltune's BT-BH020 earbuds. Really good ones, both for music, especially for a bass, but what I love about them is the speed. 2 seconds, absolute world records. Even my fastest ones, Musically, that I like a lot, they connect very fast, but with Musically they're kind of fiddly, so I need to take some time to put them in my ears and set them right, whereas these, have a look. So I close the box, I put them on the table, and check this out. 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's actually took me a long time, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, but quite a few times when I tried before, it took me like 2 seconds. I opened the box, I grabbed them, and 2 seconds, and they were in my ears. They take around 3 seconds to connect, and also they take 3 seconds to disconnect. I put them in the box, and again, bang, bang, boxed, closed. That's absolutely the fastest ones. And again, it takes only 3 seconds. Okay, disconnected now. So around 3 seconds to connect, 3 seconds to disconnect. And if I'm in rush, 2 seconds to put them in and 2 seconds to put them back in the box. So that I love about this. And believe me, if you use headphones very often, every day, you take them in and out of the box a few times a day, it all adds up. And getting some fiddly ones, and I've tested around 10 different models, and all of them are kind of fiddly, except for these are not fiddly at all. They are so easy to take out of the box and put them in the ears. So let's do this again. Bang, done, really fast. Okay, I need to correct the position a little bit. Now regarding the music is absolutely great. Now, it's not the best, but they have a really strong bass, and if the bass is too strong, what I like about these, it's very easy for me to reduce the bass simply by moving them slightly forward like this. Also, because of their design, the shape, they're kind of unmistakable, so it's easy to put them the right way, so that's why they're so fast. I just do this, bang, and done. I don't really need to correct the position too much, maybe a little bit, but then again, takes a few seconds. They don't fall out. I've tested them, they are even good for running. I'm guessing if you don't run like crazy, just a normal casual running, I believe this should be fine, but I haven't tested them. And the bad side, the bass is kind of slightly overpowering a little bit, too boomy, but it's okay, it's still all right. And somehow, for some pieces of music, I actually prefer them more than the more expensive Musically, funnily enough, or the Enac Fire. So I probably would need to do some more testing with different types of songs, but generally these are quite good for the price. They're absolutely amazing. Now, what are the negative sides? This is the button that you need to press. Obviously, pressing against your ear, it's not the best thing to do. So probably you would be better off regulating that in the phone. And this is only maybe an emergency if you're running, can't be bothered or whatever. Then use the buttons. Otherwise, I wouldn't. So I like the touch interfaces, or if the button is on the side. So for example, I squeeze it like that from both sides, instead of against my ear, which I think is ridiculous. So that's my take. Now, positive sides is the microphone, I think, is on the right one. The manual doesn't say if it's on both, at least I didn't read it. Oh, by the way, the good thing about them is they have both a quick start, kind of a piece of paper, plus a dedicated manual, so it's really helpful. So if you don't find what you need in the quick start, there is a manual, and I think that's brilliant, and it's well made. Actually, it seems like it's actually made in proper English as well, as opposed to other manufacturers. I'm not gonna even comment. Yeah, so really recommend it. I really recommend them. I am surprised myself how good they are. Again, they're not an audiophile headphones because of the price. You should be looking for 100-200 quid if you're looking for really good music quality. But if you're looking for something absolutely good for the price, these are the best, or one of the best in that price range. I think, what are they, £28 or something like this? So much cheaper than Musically or Enac Fire F1. And I think these may become, I need to do more testing, but they may become my favorite ones. At the moment, my favorite ones are Musically, but because they're kind of fiddly a little bit, so I find it a little bit annoying. So whoa, I'm so impressed. I cannot tell you how impressed I am with the speed of taking them out of the box and putting them back, and they disconnect and connect without a fail every time. And that is much more important than all the other options you might think of. Believe me, if the headphones are annoying, you will not like them, no matter how good the music is or no matter how good some other things are. If they are annoying in use, you will not use them. After a while, you will throw them away probably, you know. Phone calls, don't use these type of headphones for phone calls unless it's an emergency. You should have a headset where the microphone is close to your mouth, so usually a cable, or just grab the phone and talk on the phone. So that's it from me. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bang. Oh, I love them how they go in the box. Done. Brilliant.